World's Funniest Videos Top 10 Countdown presents
Slow Motion Theater Animal Edition.
Here's a fun fact. It's a total myth that cats always land on their feet. Oh, they usually do, just not always. They never really had to worry about telling Brownie to stay off the furniture because, try as she might, she was never really able to get on it in the first place. The whole family had to agree that maybe it was time for Ranger to get glasses.
Oh, yeah, that's the spot. Right there, yeah. Oh, yeah. That's the spot you never reach, no matter how hard I try. Oh, sweet, sweet Nirvana. Oh.
Henderson Farm raised the fastest racing dogs in 7 counties. Of course, every now and then they'd raise one that was somewhat of a dud.